Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use SketchWow AI. Let's dive into tutorial. First of all, you need to download the SketchWow official software and install it on your device. After then, open SketchWow in your device. In home screen, you see a huge amount of ready-to-use templates. You can create many more interesting sketch art using templates. In case of SketchWow AI, it can create any sketch, just depend on your prompt. On the main screen, look for the option called AI Lab or New Using AI. This is where you create visuals using AI. Choose what you want to make, like a flowchart, mind map, or process diagram. Next, enter your prompt. Type a clear description of your idea, such as a stickman sketch. Oh, the more specific you are, the better the result. Then click Generate. Once the diagram appears, customize it. You can move elements around, add or remove icons, adjust the hand-drawn roughness, and change colors to fit your style or brand. Finally, add motion using the Pan Zoom Wow feature for presentations. When you're done, export your design as a PNG, PDF, or animated GIF. And that's it. You've got a professional-looking diagram in minutes. Thanks for watching.